Can adding turmeric to your diet support healthy insulin levels? For centuries, this powerful root has been used in global medicine. Do you wonder if you would benefit from turmeric spice, turmeric extract, or purified curcumin? There are now over 27,000 scientific publications on turmeric, turmeric extract, or curcumin, demonstrating intense academic interest, while robust, large-scale, multi-million-dollar clinical trials, the kind big pharma funds, are still often lacking. The existing study strongly supports its benefits as a nutritional adjunct. Look for turmeric in your grocery store. This powerful herb is found as a dry powder in your spice aisle or as a fresh root, often next to its cousin, ginger. Turmeric has been used to season delicious cuisines and as an herbal remedy for over 4,000 years, with roots in India. In this video, we will review the verifiable health benefits of turmeric, what the science actually supports, and how this common herb can play a complementary role alongside conventional medical treatment. Welcome back. I'm Dr. John Chuback, board-certified cardiovascular surgeon, and today we're discussing turmeric and curcumin. Let's look at conditions where turmeric extract, or curcumin has shown potential as a supplementary aid. We begin with osteoarthritis, OA. This common chronic condition affects over 300 million people worldwide. I can tell you that the concept of OA being simple wear and tear is incomplete. The primary driver is systemic chronic low-grade inflammation. This inflammation is often fueled by underlying metabolic dysfunction. Conditions like obesity, uncontrolled diabetes, high cholesterol, and widespread atherosclerosis all create a pro-inflammatory environment that directly accelerates the destruction of joint cartilage. If you see a provider for OA pain, the standard treatment often includes NSAIDs or steroid injections. These options offer crucial, rapid symptomatic relief, but they do not reverse the underlying inflammation or disease progression. Furthermore, they carry known risks. NSAIDs are associated with significant gastrointestinal and cardiovascular risk, and steroid injections can lead to bone degeneration and metabolic complications. Studies indicate that turmeric extract help to maintain and manage osteoarthritis pain by modulating the inflammatory pathways involved in the disease. Curcuminoids work by helping to downregulate key inflammatory mediators, specifically targeting the nuclear factor kappa B pathway, which is essentially the master switch for inflammation inside the cell. Some research suggests that 1,500 milligrams of turmeric extract can be as effective as a standard dose of ibuprofen for pain control. This supports its use as a first-line complementary approach to potentially reducing reliance on prescriptions or over-the-counter pain medication when appropriate. It is crucial to remember that while turmeric may alleviate pain symptoms, it does not rebuild cartilage or reverse the physical degeneration of the joint. You must never replace the direction of your prescribing physician without discussing it with him or her. Skeptics correctly state that simply managing pain is only treating a symptom, not the root cause of chronic inflammation. This is precisely where turmeric shows promise as a comprehensive dietary intervention supporting the underlying metabolic issues that fuel disease. Turmeric has been shown in clinical settings to support improved metabolic health and reduce overall systemic inflammation. This is vital because chronic inflammation directly impacts your body's ability to use insulin effectively. When chronic inflammatory signals, specifically pro-inflammatory cytokines secreted by excess fat cells, circulate in the body, they actively interfere with insulin receptors on your muscle and liver cells. This interference is insulin resistance. As a result, your cells fail to hear the insulin signal to absorb glucose. This leads to higher blood sugar and forces the pancreas to pump out even more insulin, creating a vicious, destructive cycle that causes weight gain and exacerbates inflammatory conditions like osteoarthritis. Can turmeric help to support healthy insulin levels? The current evidence suggests it may. By supporting the reduction of systemic inflammation, turmeric acts at a fundamental level to help break this inflammatory cycle, potentially allowing cells to respond better to insulin. It also may help reduce appetite and support overall metabolic function. This makes turmeric part of a comprehensive strategy to manage the underlying problems such as obesity and insulin resistance. In women with polycystic polycystic ovarian syndrome, PCOS, a condition strongly associated with insulin resistance, inflammatory markers have been shown to improve with turmeric supplementation. For patients with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, a condition tied directly to metabolic syndrome, turmeric is shown to improve inflammatory markers, which supports better liver function. Turmeric has even been shown to reduce vascular inflammation, offering measurable cardiovascular benefits similar to light exercise. Promising early research also links turmeric's potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties to benefits in dementia and various cancers, though more definitive clinical trials are definitely needed. Turmeric contains over 100 bioactive compounds, or polyphenols. The most studied and believed to be the most active compound is curcumin. We need to be clear about the difference between the whole food and the supplement. The whole turmeric spice, while ancient, contains only about 2% to 3% curcumin by weight. In contrast, turmeric extracts, which are the forms primarily studied in clinical trials, are often standardized to contain 95% total curcuminoids. This difference explains why you would have to take multiple teaspoons of dry spice to reach the therapeutic dose used in research. Curcumin is known to be poorly absorbed when taken orally on its own. The body metabolizes it and eliminates it rapidly. To overcome this critical issue of bioavailability, two main methods are used. The active ingredient piperine, which is actually the active compound in black pepper, can increase the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000-fold by temporarily inhibiting the liver enzymes that usually break down curcumin. Bromelain, an enzyme purified from pineapple, is also used to enhance absorption. Bromelain is favored by some because it has a better safety profile with fewer known serious drug interactions than piperine. This is why I generally prefer the combination of bromelain and turmeric extract. If you choose a supplement containing piperine, you must exercise extreme caution and do not do that or start any other supplement without a physician's advice. Piperine can interfere with metabolism of critical medications, including blood thinners such as warfarin, aspirin, and clopidogrel, seizure medications such as Dilantin or carbamazepine, blood pressure medications like propranolol, stomach acid reducers such as omeprazole, and remember about safety and side effects. High concentrations of purified curcumin carry specific potential side effects. Curcumin can act as a blood thinner, which is a serious risk if you're already on prescription anticoagulants or taking high-dose NSAIDs, increasing the risk of bleeding. It can stimulate the gallbladder to contract. If you have a pre-existing condition like gallstones or cholecystitis, taking high doses can acutely worsen your symptoms. Super high doses have also been reported to temporarily elevate liver enzymes. Turmeric has withstood the test of time, used safely for 4,000 years across countless generations. Epidemiological studies show that countries with high consumption of turmeric, such as India, also report some of the lowest rates of certain neurodegenerative diseases. The medical consensus is that turmeric is a powerful, safe, and inexpensive dietary supplement that reduces inflammation and supports overall metabolic health. You must always consult with your certified physician and medical team before starting any new supplement, especially if you're taking prescription medications or have pre-existing chronic illnesses, as true tailored care is essential for your health and safety at all times. I'm Dr. John Chuback, and I will see you in the next video.